Flora Valdez is blending ingredients in a bowl. She's preparing food as part of a project for her honors colloquium. The goal of the class was to look for solutions to fight poverty. These are her classmates: Carol Fawarda, Alika Smith, and Ashlyn Triplett.
For breakfast, we're doing French toast. With the girls got it started out there. For lunch, we're making rice, Mexican rice, I guess you can say. And then for dinner, we made pasta with mayonnaise and canned fruit.
Jeff Newton, Executive Director of the Kokomo Urban Outreach, begins speaking.
I was invited to come to the class, and I was supposed to bring up volunteer opportunities, and so what I did was I passed out empty papers, and everybody wrote down what they would like to do. And there was a group that said they'd like to cook, so we had them prepare meals out of our food pantry to teach our volunteers how to use the food, so they can in turn teach the guests that come through our food pantry a way to have them experience what it's like, and then it's also a way for us to help people stretch food stamp dollars to be able to become self-sufficient.
The words, "Give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man to fish, he eats for a lifetime," appear on the screen. Students continue serving food. Learn more about the Honors Program and what it can do for you. iuk.edu/honors. Indiana University Kokomo. Fulfilling the promise. iuk.edu.